Welcome to my channel, exploring old technologies and seeding new ideas. Let's begin.
Beginning in March, planning started for our 2023 gardening season, following our winter indoor growing room project. Encouraged by a $100 gift certificate for seeds, we thought we'd try to see how far we could take hobby gardening this year. After researching inexpensive pop-up greenhouse options on Amazon, we picked two different styles and did a little preliminary CAD work to see where they might just go on the property. The first 7-foot unit would cover 28 square feet, and the second 6.3-foot unit would cover 23 square feet, both with lots of shelves. The plan was to have the flexibility to take them down at the end of the season. After assembling the actual product, we discovered that securing them might be more complex than our original idea of using patio stones to weigh them down. They were both metal tube-based with plastic connectors and a webbed plastic covering. Sadly, there was not much else to hold them together. Since we didn't want to anchor them to the house, we experimented with a few other alternate locations. We first looked at our deck to anchor them, but that proved to interfere with the garden view. So we settled on using an existing shed as an anchor point. This meant that a few trees and shrubs would have to be moved, but this location put the greenhouses closer to the garden tools. Sticking with the pop-up concept, we plan to use zip ties to secure one side of each greenhouse to anchor points on the shed. Since the zip ties came inexpensively in a 1,000-pack from Sayal Electronics, we chose to use them to secure the structural sections together as well. Plus, these ties allowed for mounting the metal shelves upside down to cleverly create trays. After preparing the ground with commercial-grade weed prevention cover, we devised a means to secure these pop-up greenhouses with customized stakes that captured the tubular pipes. This meant expanding the stake hook provision and a special last stake to close the locked-in loop around each greenhouse bottom. Secured in place, we slipped on the covers, starting with the smaller one first, then moving to the larger one. Now we were ready to see how they performed in the sun and wind. See part 2 for what happens next.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.